Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix can't connect to server on Brawlhalla. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and then just write on Google Brawlhalla server status. And probably the first website will be by down detector, so you need to just press on that. And then you need to look if there is no complaints in real time here regarding to the server issues. So as you can see here, there is basically no reports. So this means problem is not on their end, on their servers, but is on mine. And to fix this problem, first of all, what you need to do here is to go to speedtest.net or other internet speed testing website, and then speed your internet's basically test your internet speed. And if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices, or if you're using Wi-Fi, restart your router, right? And after that, if this doesn't help, then you need to just open up a CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. And here you need to basically just write IP config/DNS. And another one is nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, scroll down, then you need to go to more network adapter options, and then you just need to find your internet basically access here and disable for a few seconds and enable again. And after that, go to right click, go to properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then select this one. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.